Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by chopping the white chocolate into small, even pieces and placing them in a heat-proof bowl. Once done, set the bowl over a double boiler with simmering, not boiling, water so you avoid scorching. Make sure to have 1-2 teaspoons of neutral oil or a tablespoon of warm cream ready per 100 grams of chocolate. You will add it at the first sign of graininess. This controlled start prevents overheating and gives you the extra fat or liquid needed to re-emulsify if it seizes. You melt the white chocolate slowly, stirring constantly and monitoring temperature to stay below about 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, because white chocolate burns and seizes at higher heat. If the mix becomes grainy or starts to clump, add your measured warm cream or neutral oil dropwise while whisking vigorously. This restores the fat sugar emulsion. Once most solids are dissolved, you can use an immersion blender in short bursts to create a glossy, smooth texture. Make sure to stop before overheating and pause to scrape the bowl. You finish by straining the smooth white chocolate into a clean bowl to remove any tiny lumps. Then cool it to around 26 to 28 degrees Celsius if you plan to mold or pipe. Make sure to temper gently if you need a firm snap. Otherwise, store airtight at about 18 to 20 degrees. If the chocolate remains slightly grainy despite these steps, blend it with 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm neutral oil until smooth. A key troubleshooting tip: never add cold water. Even a drop causes reseizing, so keep tools dry.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.